Alright guys, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by, I appreciate it. So down to the last 3 rooms, plus this one in here. Just starting in this room, so I got a little bit in here, these plugs in that bathroom I believe. And then this is done over here, and then this bedroom over here. So this one's almost done, and then the 3 across the street, and then we'll be done stripping all these units. I don't think the first floor is ready down here because it's not even textured or whatnot down there, so there's no texture on the walls like up here. So first floor is not ready yet, so we will be putting in the devices tomorrow once we finish these last 3 units, like I said, across the hallway. And then then I'll be putting in devices for a while. Probably gonna start back up on the 4th floor because we're on the 2nd floor right now. 3rd floor is right there and 4th floor is up there. So we'll be probably going back up to 4th floor and then working our way down, just because usually on these high-rise buildings, you work your way up from the bottom as they build up. So you start on the 1st floor, 2nd floor, 3rd floor, 4th floor, and then once you get to the top, you work down. So you go 4, 3, 2, 1, because usually they will start like renting out the rooms or whatnot on the 4th floor. So everyone kind of works backwards. So you start from the bottom, you go to the top, and then you go to the top to work down. So once they paint and start putting in cabinets and all that stuff, then they can start renting out the rooms or whatnot. So, and they usually work their way down as well, or everyone does. So that's kind of what to expect on high-rise buildings or commercial apartments, stuff like that. So they'll be finished at the top first. So yeah, that should do it. So once we put in our electrical, got these wires stripped, we'll put in all the devices, all the plug switches, and then cabinets will come through. They'll put the cabinets in, and then they already got all the flooring down, and then they'll start putting in appliances, the washer, dryer, stove, microwave, dishwasher, and then we'll have to come back through and hook up the dishwashers, hook up the microwaves and stuff like that. So then put in the lights as well. So probably go through, do all the switches, and then the lights and stuff is probably 1 to 3 months out because some reason. So we'll be putting in the lights down the road. So but for the most part, usually you have the lights and the switches and stuff kind of at the same time, and you just do everything and complete a room at once. But this is slightly different on this job site, so gonna have to go through a few times. We just got the devices in like last week, but for the most part, we were just going through and stripping out these plugins just to stay busy because there wasn't much else to do. But now we got the plugins, so we're just finishing out the stripping, and then now we're going to be going through and putting in all the devices. So that'll probably 2 or 3 weeks of that. I am going to be back here on Monday. I don't know how long I'll be out here for, but I know I'll at least be out here next week, I think, for the most part. So until further notice, I will be back here, probably put in devices, so that might be really boring. But once again, give me some ideas, suggestions, some videos you want to see. I did not get a chance. I mean, I recorded the 2 videos yesterday putting in a plug and switch, but they were really crappy videos and I didn't want to release it because that would be embarrassing to me. So I'm gonna go do them again right now, putting in the switches and plugs. So stay tuned. I will be uploading those after this video. And I didn't get to go to the house last night because I literally did nothing and was being lazy. So I'm going to probably go by the house later and check that out, and then also making these switches and plug videos. So thanks guys for listening to me and giving you guys some new videos tomorrow of what the switches and plugs look like and all that good stuff. So stay tuned, and that should do it. Short day tomorrow. Actually, there might not be a video tomorrow at work because we're going to be leaving to go to company, going back to the shop to do a company lunch or whatnot. So I have to take some pictures or something, but I'll try to get something out for you guys tomorrow. If not, then hopefully you understand. That should do it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back here soon, if not tomorrow. And that should do it. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. I appreciate you all. God bless. Peace out. All right, guys, one more thing. If you guys want to see an interview with my coworker Nick that I always talk about, if you guys are interested in like an interview with him, maybe ask him some questions. He's only been in the apprenticeship for like probably like 2 to 4 months. So if you guys got any questions, like what's your favorite part, what's the hardest part, what do you like, what do you not like, if you guys are interested in like an interview, he said he said he'd be down to do that. So if you guys are interested, let me know in the comments below. Maybe throw some questions in that maybe you'd want me to ask him, anything like that. If not, you're not hurting my feelings if you don't want to see it, but let me know, and that should do it, guys. Peace.